So it's still unpredictable if the Fed will cut 25 points or 50. The announcement will be made soon in less than 1 hour. I believe that the odds are very equal. The Fed could cut 25 but could also cut 50. If you asked me 2 weeks ago what I believe, I would have said that the Fed will probably cut only 25 points, but today I'm not so sure anymore. Anyways, on this channel I'm building a portfolio using Warren Buffett's strategy, and my goal is to get to 100k. Warren Buffett is one of the greatest stock investors of all time, if not the greatest, with a net worth of over 100 billion. If you like my concept, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So following his strategy, I'm trying to invest only in high quality projects, and today I'm going to add some Chainlink. I still have almost 200 USDT, as you saw in the previous episode, and I'm going to invest 100 today. Yep, so now I have only almost $100 and I have $700 in Chainlink. Remember that this is not financial advice. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold or sell. This is just what I'm doing with my money. If you want to follow along the journey, please subscribe and I talk to you soon.